Diolch, Llywydd. I stand in solidarity today with the imprisoned Catalan Democrats, and perhaps from the comments we heard earlier, the Brexit Party would like to lock me up for what I'm about to say, but I'll risk it. Anyway. I find it always rather depressing when a fellow Welshman like David Rowlands shows such lack of confidence and such a low opinion of Wales and its potential, presumably believing that other countries smaller than Wales are inherently better than us, which is clearly not the case. The truth of the matter, is it not, that the people of Wales are waking up to the possibility, just perhaps, that we can't afford not to be independent anymore. You mentioned the fiscal gap. I'll draw your attention to the report by the Wales Governance Centre that said that this fiscal gap, which isn't correct as it is, but is no reflection on an independent Wales, but is instead a reflection of how the UK doesn't work for Wales now. The question is why Wales's economy is suffering as it is now. And would the First Minister agree with me that the way to build up confidence in what we can achieve as a nation is to have a constitutional convention looking openly at the potential of independence for Wales in cooperation and partnership with other countries, and looking at what we can achieve rather than showing the staggering lack of confidence that the Unionists in this chamber show time and time again?
Well, so it's not a matter of confidence at all. It's a matter of political choice. Now, the member has his political preference, as does his party, and that's absolutely legitimate, and of course there will be a campaign for that. But there are other possibilities for Wales as well. And in the paper that we will discuss later this afternoon, I have set out the future for Wales as this government and this party would see it. And it is not a matter of confidence, it is a matter about how people are able to articulate different possibilities for the future. For me, Wales's future is best secured as a successful member of both a successful United Kingdom and a successful European Union. I believe that both unions are right for Wales. Let's have the debate. The debate is the nature of politics, and of course we should have it. In the document that we will talk about later, we propose as the 20th point of 20 that there should be a constitutional convention. I believe the focus of the Constitutional Convention should be how to make the UK work better in the future. How to make sure that the UK goes on being a successful entity in which Wales plays its successful part. But if you have a Constitutional Convention, and particularly if you have one that involves citizens as well as those people who currently play a part in it, then there'll be that opportunity for people to contribute their ideas, to debate alternative propositions, to go back to the point the member made at the start. Debate, discussion and democratic resolution is the right way to resolve these matters.